Gadget Guy time. You're talking about wearable tech, and this is something that you've been, how long have you been testing this guy?
So actually, a viewer emailed me yesterday and said, okay, I watch you guys all the time.
Yeah.
What have you been wearing on your wrist? Because I don't wear a watch.
Yeah.
And they noticed this. This is the Sony Smart Band. So we've heard of activity monitors. We've seen those for a couple of years now. This is the latest one. This is from Sony.
It's pretty cool looking.
It is.
Yeah.
And it takes things a step further.
Oh, it's a nice soft rubber,
silicone.
too. Oh, it's silicone.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
so
cool.
I've got to say, this is the most comfortable activity monitor I've ever worn.
Nice.
And the actual monitor is inside. I'll turn it around.
Oh, I see.
And you just bend it.
Oh, this is it.
That's it. That's the brains inside. It goes into the little wristband. You get multiple different colors.
And so how do you get the information off that little, onto your phone?
It talks to it wirelessly.
Oh, it's wireless,
Yeah,
right
through
on.
Bluetooth and NFC technology.
Nice.
So for those who don't like black, you can get multiple different colors. It's waterproof.
Okay.
Gotta
Oh,
like
really?
that. Yeah,
You
you
can
can
swim
shower,
with it.
you can swim with it, and things
Wow,
like that. It's
that's a big deal.
dust-proof. So some great features on that. But what makes this unique, it doesn't just track your steps and things like that. It actually looks at your overall lifestyle. So it looks at
Not just fitness.
how much time do you spend on social media?
Uh-oh.
How much time do you watch television?
Uh-oh.
How much time do you spend listening to music?
Sure,
and it
check
puts it
emails, all those things,
on
right?
this-
Yeah.
yeah, so interesting. So I'm going to show you some of the screenshots
Sure.
of the app because it's actually quite nice. So first and foremost, yes, it is an activity tracker. So it does, like I said, it does the steps and things like that. We'll bring up some graphics here that you can see. There you go. So this is kind of what the overview looks like.
This is like the home screen?
Yeah, this is the home screen.
Yeah.
So it's actually quite beautiful. And you'll see on the top where you see that person standing, that's your timeline. Those are the hours of the day. And you can scroll through it and you can check out.
Oh, so from when you wake up
Exactly.
to... Oh, I see.
So you go to bed. And down below, you'll have everything from calories burned to steps taken to how much running to sleep and things like that. Now, if we go to the next screen, you'll see what it looks like when you look at your steps.
Oh.
So this is the steps in a single day. So
Okay.
you can see I took a little break. I don't know.
You
what
obviously
time
took a
that
nap.
was.
What time is that?
Yeah,
2 in the
probably-
afternoon or
exactly.
something?
So I took a nap there. So yeah, it looks nice. It puts it on a nice graphical interface. So it's easy to read.
Sure.
So you can go day. Now, if you go to the next one, you'll see you can take it by the week.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So it tracks every
Tells you
single-
which day you did the most activity.
Exactly.
Okay,
Now, if we go to the next one, you'll see it goes by the months.
Ah.
And then you can even take it
I
further.
noticed there was nothing happening between the 4th and the 13th, also known as the Calgary Stampede time. You did 0.
I might not have done too much. Or maybe I
Does it
just kind of
measure
forgot to
bending of
put
the
it on
elbow?
in the
Oh,
morning.
okay. There we go.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it does things like that, but also it does sleep.
Okay.
Yeah, so it monitors your sleep patterns. So if I bring up this next graphic here, you'll see
Oh, this is interesting.
it looks for how much movement. So there's actually all those dark ones are your REM sleep, your deep sleep. The light
wow.
are the lighter sleep, and the gray is when you're up or moments you're awake. So you can see I sleep pretty well.
Yeah,
I sleep
good
right
for
through
you.
the night. So those are the normal things. But,
But
then
you
I
only
start-
got 4 hours and 46 minutes.
I know.
That's a short night's
I
sleep,
don't
my
sleep
friend.
very much.
Okay.
I wish I did.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's go back to the overall picture with the social media and things like that. How does it track that? Well, it's
Yeah.
everything you do on your phone. So that's the kicker here.
So, and I tend to check, Facebook and stuff on my desktop computer. That does not register then.
Exactly.
Ah.
So number one, you have to use it with an Android phone.
Okay.
I've got the new Sony Z2 here in my hand, so it works so well with all Android devices.
Sure.
But if I don't watch TV on my phone.
Yeah.
I don't listen to music on my phone. I do that elsewhere.
Sure.
So this won't keep track of all that stuff.
I see.
So in theory, it's great that it's supposed to give you the snapshot and kind of give you a kick in the pants and say, look, you spend way too much time watching TV. You should be out going for a walk or going for a
Walks or
run.
whatever it is, yeah.
But it doesn't monitor everything.
Okay.
I also found this wasn't quite as accurate as some of the other trackers out there. I found Fitbit to be better. There are some days where I walked a lot, and it said, you took 2,000 steps. I'm like, wait a minute. You took way more than 2,000 steps. So certain days, it just didn't seem to want to register. You know what? This could be fixed with the firmware, though.
Sure.
Firmware update could change this. Sony says more features are coming.
What's firmware?
Software.
Oh, okay.
So there's a good chance Sony's going to push this in the right direction.
Okay.
It's still a little bit early right now for this.
Yeah.
It's a great concept, but it's not there just yet.
Lots of interesting stuff it tracks, though.
It does.
is
Yeah,
really
in
cool.
theory, it's fantastic.
Yeah, you're going to put all this on our website?
We're going to put this up there.
breakfasttelevision.ca. Look for Mike Yanni Gadget Guy's blog. All that cool stuff.